When did Fight Night, the Million Dollar Heist, premiere on television? The exact date might surprise you and reveal how quickly this high-stakes boxing event captured global attention. Fight Night, the Million Dollar Heist made its television debut on May 20, 2023. This premiere marked a pivotal moment for boxing fans, as the event combined high-stakes prize money with intense competition. The broadcast quickly drew millions of viewers worldwide, highlighting its immediate impact within the sports entertainment world. What made Fight Night, the Million Dollar Heist, stand out was not just its competitive fights, but how quickly it spread internationally. Networks across multiple countries picked up the broadcast, allowing boxing enthusiasts from different cultures to experience the adrenaline and drama live. This helped build a global fan base almost overnight. Beyond its premiere, the event reshaped how boxing promotions are viewed. The Million Dollar Heist inspired other organizations to experiment with prize money and event formats, blending sport with entertainment to attract wider audiences. Its success showed how a well-timed premiere can change the game for future sporting events. Now you know exactly when Fight Night, the Million Dollar Heist, premiered and why it became a global sensation so quickly. This event changed the way boxing is presented on television forever. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.